Let's go, guys. Yeah!
Larger than life with Chris.
Hey guys, the last time I had a haircut was exactly 106 days ago. No, I haven't been doing this for a while, so I'm feeling a little bit nervous. I'm now seated down on the barber chair and my barber is getting ready. And Mael is behind me right now, so you see that he's getting all the necessary things done. This face mask, get my temperatures checked. If I have a temperature, I will not be able to proceed with this appointment. And I have to write down my personal details here as well for contact tracing. Apparently, now this is the new trend. I miss the times when we just had a gown or a barber gown or a barber cloth just go over my body, and not right now. I'm all wrapped up. You guys can still hear me, hear my voice, because the microphone is right underneath this plastic. It's interesting to see just how much hair that will come off this head right after this barber cut. I've asked Mael to give me a very short cut. Yeah, short cut, no pun intended, but I've asked Mael to give me a very short cut because it has been 3 months that I have been having thick, long, scruffy hair. So I'm about to say goodbye to that. This is Mael. Everybody say hi to Mael. He is actually very good looking underneath that mask and that head and that protective gear. Some of you might want to ask if he's still single. Comment down below what do you think of my barber, or whether he's still single or not. I shall answer you at the end of this video. He's been taking care of my haircut. It's like what? How long was it? Well, 6 years? 5 years. 5 years. Well, five years, yeah. Yep. See, there's really strict protocol to follow. Among the services they offer here are haircut for men, or we call it the gents haircut, shaving services. What else do you have, Mael? You have haircut, shaving, men grooming. Soon there's hair color. There's a makeup section here for the ladies. And the ladies could have their makeup done as well here. Woo! Here we go, guys. Yeah! Look at that drop. Mael has just started. Look at this chunk. They came out. Whoa, thick chunk of hair. You know, when I go home, I think my kids will not recognize me and they think that they have a new father. Buruk. Oh, taruh tuh garam nggak?
Sanitizer. Simpan jadi zombie.
This is what I love about Mael. He's just awesome.
Awesome, ah.
And this is how he does it. It's all done. That's it. I feel much lighter. This is Mael. Now I've mentioned, ask you guys whether you think he is single. Yes, he is still single 5 years ago. That's it. That was my haircut. What do you think? I think it's looking very fresh, light, airy, breezy. It's the new cut after more than 3 months. Yes. I hope you like this video. Do click like, subscribe, share this video out, and ring the bell for more videos just like this one. Now all I need is a good shave. It's a nice clean shave and I'm good to go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.